Chantel will be running off the daily operation of the store, and also I want to know too, she's my girlfriend. Since I have somebody running off the store and I have some time on my hand, I might just take a little mini vacation. But you know, a vacation is not a vacation if you take it by yourself. Don't show her no bad face. And remember, say I'm a woman and I just somebody that run the store.
You're gonna see your brother.
No.
What if Mr. Hardy is dead? What is going to happen?
Officer, let's not go there. I know he's not dead.
Kind of suspect one woman we have.
What woman do you have?
Yes, him have one woman. We work at the store where we work too.
A be a problem, brother.
Yo, hold on. Yo, me not tell you say vacation, me depend on call me va. Brother, me don't tell you already, man, say no call me a vacation, me depend on. So me let my phone now, man.
Something is happening with this family now. I'm not sure now, but somebody need to come clean.
The real truth and fact is, those alright.
Call you, me we fire you too.
You come like say, Ken, what do you mean fire me? Me a fair place?
I feel we place what you're going like a fear. She not take charge and responsible for nothing. The kind of girl not be my boss. Till a long time, say me have an ex-friend figure. That girl, they a criminal. She a thief.
Alright, cheers to a weekend of fun.
So how you fi have your man and you don't know your man dey? Eh?
Hardy, after all this time and this passionate weekend that we've had together, you had someone?